wait. I have to wait. I want everyone to give a 5-minute speech about what Christmas is all about, the real meaning of Christmas.
Me? Now me?
And it has to last 5 minutes for each person.
Who? Who's it starting with?
The real meaning of Christmas, and if you don't get it right, you can't come downstairs.
Presents, 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 presents. Presents, presents.
All right, okay. All right. Come on.
I don't know. We can come down?
I'm only kidding, Laura. Come on, yeah.
No. Move it.
Wait a minute. Wait, I gotta tell you where it is.
What? What is?
All right. Remember, the older you get, the less you get.
That isn't true.
There's mine, right? Hey.
Can we start opening it?
Wait until everybody gets down.
Wow, there's even presents in here.
Hold on.
Hey, chocolate money.
Hey, are these Daniels or whose are these?
What?
These right
Those
here.
are Stevens.
We'll start with these. Not that one. I'll start.
All right, you don't need to count.
Jeez, Laura. Lucky.
Just the sooner you open them, the sooner it'll be all.
Band-Aids.
It's what?
How come I got Band-Aids?
What?
I'm gonna cut you.
What is it? Wait, let me see. Let me see. Oh! What is it?
NFL Blitz 2001.
Ooh.
All right, Daniel, come over to the chair over here.
Where? Over where?
This rocking chair.
Matthew.
Okay.
Matthew.
Calculate.
Ooh, I got this whole stack here.
Well, no, that's not your
Matthew.
stack.
Matthew.
Yours is the little stack
Give it to me.
What little stack?
What to you?
by John.
That little stack of that gold money only.
That's horrible.
Come
No.
on over here.
That's awful.
Yes.
Somebody needs them. All do with Justin.
I think we
Ooh.
You better slow down, Joseph. Laura, what you got?
There, no. Are you gonna sit in the chair or on the floor?
No, in the chair.
I can't.
You, Laura, what do you have? Move it.
I don't know. I'm just digging it.
Well, be careful, Laura. You gotta be careful, I think.
Daniel, what is it?
Something needs to.
Oh, it's a Santa Claus.
Yeah,
Hey.
that's bad. That's bad.
Does that mean good?
Yeah,
You like it?
yeah. That's cute.
What do you got?
Harry Potter book.
Wow.
If I start reading the other one, I'll start reading this probably. Maybe.
Well, show Matthew.
You didn't get him the same one.
No, he got me a different one. Hey, what is this?
Laura, what is it?
Hold on, I have it. Oh, hey, Joseph. Gotta go back.
What is it? An easy bake oven?
No.
Oh, Daniel, don't get that out now. Daniel.
That's
Thanks.
cute.
Okay, but let's not get it out now. We'll set it up real soon, okay?
This turn away from the Rolling Stones hand. That's Band-Aid. That's a puppy dog hand. That's a music box hand. That's pants and that's short.
That's cute.
Oh, and
How do you like it, Daniel?
Okay, what's with this?
All right, Daniel, let's put it back in the box. Let's put it back in the box, okay?
I got it here. It's in the stuff.
What is it, Joseph?
Millionaire,
For
PlayStation,
All around this room.
No, it's for the
All
computer.
around, no, hold on.
computer version.
Sit still. You better look all around this room.
I don't get it.
What?
I told him he better look all around this room.
You got someone under there.
No.
What?
You gotta cover the rest of the room. You gotta scan the rest of the room.
Well, I don't know how.
Stop looking.
I thought you weren't giving me one of these.
That's why God gave you eyes.
Ooh, what? What
That
is it?
helicopter, but like you shoot up in the air and it would
Oh,
go
Jordan
flying.
got one of those.
Laura, you're awfully quiet.
It's a bitty bitty good color.
What's that gonna be?
Family stuff. Wait a
Huh?
Family stuff.
Oh.
Hey Laura, then you can play Claire de Lune.
I
You better
think
look
that
around
was
a little bit.
What do you mean, look around?
How do you like it, Joseph?
Alright.
I just want to get from John.
Yes.
Alright.
I get the small
yeah,
stuff first.
You.
What?
And that way we can move some of this stuff over out of the way.
Just a huge set of finger bites.
Wow.
What'd you get?
I didn't know the next.
Oh.
Good lord.
What is it?
We can use that.
Oh, yes, yes, we can use that.
What is it, Joseph?
I got a mongoose. Yes! Yes! Let's watch that tonight. The chomp.
Daniel, get your shirt on right. Please.
Alright.
Laura, what do you have?
But
That.
get me any
Laura,
videos.
let's see what you have now. Come on.
What?
Get me any videos.
Whoa.
No.
Darn it.
Joseph, I think I just got a PlayStation.
Oh, all right, those
What?
cute.
It's a skateboarding game.
Oh, yeah.
Skateboarding.
All your stuff right here.
Wait.
Cute.
Oh, wow, Laura.
What? I don't see.
Leather pants.
Ooh. Laura, do you know what those are? What? They're exciting.
What else?
Cute.
You still got more presents to open, kid?
You got a ton of presents.
Are you sure?
That's the rule. That's the way it goes. The older you are, the less you got until you're adults, and then Santa brings you nothing.
Wow.
Mommy, now I can get to sleep faster.
Shut up.
That's how it is.
But look at the sheet.
Cute.
Now I can get to sleep faster.
Oh, I have always wanted to watch that.
What?
Fantasia. I've never seen it.
What?
Let's watch the clocks first.
What is it? The 2000 version?
Yeah, yeah.
Did you open yours, Stephen? Did you like anything?
What's Daniel doing?
Mommy.
He's putting his shirt on inside out again.
I am not.
You
There
are.
you are.
Is this
Pull
like a
the arm
puzzle?
out with it when you pull your arm
Oh,
out.
isn't that cute?
Mommy. But I don't know what that's for.
Give it to me.
It's just trash. Oh, wow. What is it?
A, Corvette,
A model?
I
Why do you
think.
put that on the...
That you have to put.
It's all shaky.
Have to put together.
Ah.
You have to put it
So that'll
together.
be
You
your
got to work
first
real hard.
experience at gluing a car together.
Yeah, but you gotta help me. And I think I have one more. I think this is my last present.
Joseph, you better not cut that open.
No, that's a. You know what that is, Joseph?
Oh.
What?
Scratch.
Stand up and model it, Stephen.
Okay, let me get my camera ready.
Look at his nails. Jeez, that pen is small.
I don't know what
Let's
it
see
is.
it.
Yeah, but I'm small. I don't know what it is.
Hey,
What?
how about it?
How come I'm
Yeah,
the
you
only
just
one
like
that...
Mom, aren't
Wait. Show John.
There's sheets.
Very nice.
You have the blue shirt. Look at what Laura
So
got.
did I. Laura, I got the same thing.
Isn't that cute?
Oh, you got sheets
Oh.
too?
That's all I have,
Well,
except for those.
Isn't that cute?
I like it. Oh man, I forgot about this.
don't pick them out.
I'm not. I'm just looking at it.
The Joseph, let's find some bags to put your stuff in, like shopping bags.
And they had ones like that that was brown.
Mommy,
Here's another.
Mommy, you know how I got next game's fight? I also got Barney.
Like a test.
Oh, wow.
Bring it out of this. Here, rip this with.
Well, somebody's milling her.
Pretty. Daniel, that's Laura's.
Helping her own.
You can't.
Hey, who's mine?
Hold on.
Show that to Grandma.
Show it to, yeah.
Grandma.
Wait at the bottom.
Matthew.
Whatever it is inside the box.
I thought I broke it.
Oh, wait.
A snowboard.
Yeah, but
You don't want it.
I got a bike and that. I had a snowboard.
Okay, the snowboard is for everybody.
I know. Daniel.
Where's my goose?
Daniel.
What?
My goose.
I think my grandma. Oh.
What'd you say?
Where'd it go?
It's right there.
All right,
Daniel.
Steven, can you help Laura open that box?
You know, that's my coffee cup.
I know.
Daniel.
I left mine in the car.
My coffee cup.
Well,
But you have that Titans
Hey.
one, so I figured you'd want to use that.
Daniel.
well, that would be fine, but
Can you put your collar down, Daniel?
And can you put something?
Look at that.
It's a day of celebration.
that'd be fine, but grab me a cup of coffee, will you?
Grinch.
Or,
Don't.
Yeah, I think it's all folded up, but you have to
Yeah, no complaining today, Daniel.
Mama wrapped it too much.
What?
She's gonna.
Laura, get off the table.
Hold on, I got it. You got a scooter plus a bike and a snowboard.
Yeah, jacket and pants.
What you got, Laura?
oh, I swear.
What?
Nothing.
Oh, okay.
Wow, Laura Manuel.
What?
What is it, Laura?
Whoa! I have no idea.
A
It's
jacket?
like a jacket with pants.
You'll be so warm when you go sledding. Now all you need is some boots. We gotta get you some boots. You didn't, did you? Alright, isn't that cute?
These are like overalls.
I know, they keep you so toasty.
Who's that? No.
Hey,
At least.
are you happy?
St. Jude.
Yeah!
I got a player, and all I need
Okay,
is
I